Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super handy feature in Google Drive how to use voice typing. If you're looking for a faster and easier way to type, voice typing is a game changer. Let's jump right in, and I'll show you how. First, open Google Drive and tap on New and open Google Docs, since voice typing is available in Docs specifically. Once you're in a new or existing document, click on the Tools tab in the top menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Voice Typing. Click on it to activate the voice typing tool. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document. To start using voice typing, simply click on the microphone icon. When it turns red, it's listening and ready to transcribe whatever you say. Start speaking, and your words will appear in the document in real time. Make sure to speak clearly, and you can even add punctuation by saying commands like period or comma. When you're done, click the microphone icon again to stop voice typing. You can now go back and edit or format your text, just like any other document. And that's it. Now you know how to use voice typing in Google Drive to save time and effort when creating documents. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any other Google Drive tips you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.